Hello, my name is Jerry Sisk, and I'm an attorney with Mottaz Sisk Injury Law. I practice in Minnesota workers' compensation and Social Security disability benefits. Today I'm going to be talking about Social Security disability and getting help for your disability. This video answers important questions for people who are disabled and are either looking to apply for Social Security disability benefits or have been denied benefits. This video provides basic information on Social Security disability benefits and isn't meant to answer all questions. For specific information about your situation, contact our office and speak with an attorney. So what is Social Security disability insurance, or SSDI? And what is SSI? SSDI is a monthly cash benefit paid by the Social Security Administration, or SSA, to adults with a work history who can no longer work because of a medical condition or conditions that is expected to last longer than 12 months. Now, what is SSI? SSI stands for Supplemental Security Income Program, and it's run by the federal government. SSI provides a monthly check for aged, blind, or disabled persons who are needy and who can't work. SSI pays a low-income individual $794 per month, or a couple $1,191 per month. And this is as of 2021. You must have little money or property up to $2,000 for a single person and $3,000 for a couple, along with being aged, blind, or disabled. Your house, however, doesn't count. So if you want more information, go to the Social Security website under Benefits and under SSDI. So how does Social Security determine if you're disabled for Social Security disability benefits? The test for disability is the same for Social Security and SSI. Basically, you must have a medical or mental health problem which keeps you from working full-time for at least a year. The Department of Health and Human Services, which runs the Social Security Administration, has rules and regulations which they use to define disability. So when you apply for disability, Social Security checks to see if you're working. So people who work and earn over a certain amount per month, that's $1,310 for 2021, are considered to be able to do substantial gainful activity, or SGA, and they're denied disability. Social Security will look at a medical condition to see if it's severe, and a severe condition must be expected to result in death or last a year before they consider you disabled. There are 14 types of severe conditions which are recognized by the Social Security Administration. If your condition matches any one of those described in those 14 categories, you'll be able to qualify for benefits. If you have severe impairment that does not match any of the 14 types of conditions, then the Social Security Administration will then look at your age, education, and work experience to see if there's other work that you can do. What I'm going to show you is a 5-step determination process, and this is exactly what I had just mentioned before. Social Security is going to look at whether you're engaged in substantial activity. That's number 1. And if you are, then you're denied. Number 2, severe impairment. There is no severe impairment, then you're denied. 3 is the listing in those 14 conditions we talked about. You meet it, you're approved. If not, then you go to the next step. And that next step, Social Security is going to determine what your residual functional capacity is, what you can do. And that then goes to your work experience, what you've done in the past, and then moves on to whether you can perform any other work in the national or regional labor market. How do you apply for Social Security disability benefits? Any citizen or legal permanent resident can apply for Social Security disability benefits at a local Social Security district office or even online. To apply online, you follow these simple steps. First, go to socialsecurity.gov/benefits/disability and select Apply for Disability. Step 2, fill out the disability application. Step 3, you answer the disability questions. And then when Social Security sends you any information, or if they ask you to mail in any information, then you do that, or you take it to your local Social Security office. Now, what happens if you are denied benefits? Unfortunately, many cases are denied at the initial application level. This shouldn't be discouraging, as the vast majority of claims are denied. And it's important that the decision be appealed within 60 days of that denial. If you don't do that, the results can be a bar to past owed benefits. What do we look at in terms of the time frame and how long the process will take? SSA, or Social Security, will make a determination on your initial application in 3 to 6 months. If you're denied, you must appeal within 60 days, or else you'll have to begin a new application if you're still insured. After you or your attorney appeal your denial, Social Security then will reconsider your application. And if this appeal is denial, then your attorney can ask for a hearing before an ALJ or an administrative law judge within 60 days. A hearing will typically occur between 1 to 2 years. Fortunately, things have been moving faster more recently, and you may get a hearing sooner. If you are approved, then you may be entitled to back pay, depending on how long that process will take. Now, Social Security will notify you in writing of any decision about your eligibility for benefits. Social Security will also send you copies of any notices to your representative if you have one. So, what can Mottaz and Sisk injury law do for you? If you're denied disability benefits and feel that you're disabled, you should contact our office. We represent hundreds of claimants for Social Security disability. Your chances of winning an appeal are going to be much better if you have an attorney. Once you appoint us, we act on your behalf before Social Security. And we do that by guiding you through the appeal process, by getting any information from the Social Security file, helping you get medical records or information to support your claim, coming with you or for you to an interview, a conference, or hearing that you have. We assist with the requesting of reconsideration, hearing, or appeals counsel review in certain situations. And we help you and witnesses prepare for a hearing and questioning any witnesses. So, hiring Mottaz and Sisk injury law. In most cases, for those who wish to retain us, we'll meet with the injured worker or disabled worker in our office or conduct a phone interview. Now, even in the wake of COVID, we do video interviews as well. We recognize that poor health for our clients prevent them from traveling to our office. So we want to make it so that way you can get the information that you need. And we'll gain as much understanding of your disability and develop a plan to provide the best chance of prevailing on your case. And we'll help you with any denied claim that needs to be appealed. And we'll file the appeal and fight for you to obtain the benefits that you deserve. Now, how much will it cost to hire Mottaz and Sisk? Social Security work is done on contingency basis. Now, there are no legal fees unless we assist you with obtaining those benefits. If you prevail, the Social Security Administration will then deduct 25% of your back pay and issue a check to our office. Social Security caps attorney fees currently at $6,000 for legal work done at the initial or reconsideration and hearing level. So what does this mean? Well, it means that if past due benefits are $12,000, then the maximum fee in the case is $3,000. Now, if past due benefits are $24,000, the max fee is $6,000. If your past due benefits are more than $24,000, then the maximum fee in the case cannot rise higher than $6,000. However, if the case has to be appealed to the appeals counsel or higher, that cap disappears and attorney fees become a strict 25% of all past due benefits. Reason why? Because there's more work that has to be done and accomplished at the appeals counsel level. So contact us today for a free no-hassle consultation. Listing the services of an experienced disability attorney is the important part in your application for Social Security disability benefits, especially if they've been denied. Best of all, your initial consultation with us is completely free. In addition to your free consultation, you don't have to pay any legal fees unless we recover in your favor. Contact us today at 763-421-8226 or email.